How to get rid of cystic acne. Cystic acne both looks and feels unpleasant and can be harmful to a person's self-esteem, especially as a teenager. However, you don't need to suffer through it silently. There are many things you can try to improve your skin's appearance or even get rid of the acne completely. Caring for your skin at home. Keep your skin clean and moisturized. Start washing your face twice a day with a water-soluble cleanser that is suitable for acne-prone skin. After washing, use an astringent lotion or toner. You can buy these over the counter. After that, moisturize your skin with a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without adding excess oil to use skin, which can clog your pores. wh.performance.mark Step 1_rendered. Use an exfoliator containing retin A. When you suffer from cystic acne, it's recommended that you use an exfoliator that contains retin A as its main ingredient. Retin A is an acidic form of vitamin A which helps to resurface the skin and unclog pores. Retin A comes in a cream or gel form, and these products will usually require a prescription from your doctor. The cream or gel is usually applied in a very light layer, every second night. Be careful to avoid the eyes and mouth. Retin A products dry out the skin and can cause irritation during the first few weeks. These products also make your skin very sensitive to sunlight, so you should never apply them during the day. Apply a hot compress to any painful, inflamed cysts. Boil a pot of water, then allow it to cool slightly. Dip a clean cloth into the hot water, squeeze out the excess, then press the hot compress over the acne cysts. Leave the compress in place for up to 15 minutes. The heat from the compress should bring fluid from the cyst to the surface and hopefully allow it to drain off, thus reducing the size of the pimple and eliminating the pain. Just be careful that the compress isn't too hot before applying, as you don't want to burn or irritate your skin. Follow a healthy skin diet. Eating certain foods can make cystic acne worse, while eating other types of food can help to improve the health of your skin. Here are some helpful tips. Try to avoid dairy products and processed carbohydrates, as these have a high fat content and can make acne worse. Avoid fried foods, as these can increase the oiliness of your skin, leading to clogged pores and pimples. Eat more fruits and vegetables, as these contain more vitamins and minerals that are necessary for healthy skin. In particular, you should try to eat more fruits and veg that contain vitamin A, such as carrots, sweet potatoes and red peppers, as this is necessary in the formation of healthy skin cells. Eat fiber-rich foods to help flush out toxins, like oats, green leafy vegetables, nuts, pumpkin, apple, raisins, almonds, broccoli and others. Avoid drinking alcohol, as this dehydrates the skin and leads to clogged sebum ducts, which makes cysts worse. Do some exercise. When you exercise, you introduce more oxygen into your bloodstream. This allows more oxygen into your cells, helping to kill anaerobic bacteria. Exercise also diminishes stress and regulates the hormones, two factors that are well known to contribute to cystic acne. Yoga is an excellent form of exercise, as it focuses on breathing, thus introducing more oxygen into your system and helps to relieve both mental and physical stress. Focus on getting enough sleep. A good night's sleep decreases your overall stress levels and gives your skin a chance to repair itself. Some people need more sleep than others, but most experts recommend getting at least 7 to 8 hours sleep a night for maximum benefit. You should also try to go to bed at the same time each night and wake up at the same time each morning, as this gets your body into a routine and will help you to sleep better.